Here at ARJ's, we just got in this babied, well taken care of 2002 Lexus LX570. This is a one-owner vehicle, clean Carfax. History of service records online. You can check that out for free at our website. Pearl white paint over alloy wheels, 3 rows of seats. I'm telling you, you wouldn't even know this was a 2002. Once you come inside, find the leather's in great shape, 3 across in the middle, seating for 2 more in the back. These seats will fold flat. Up front, typical Lexus class. Memory seats, wood grain accents, power features, power moonroof. Coming in, the steering wheel has a wood grain. Cruise control settings. Nice, easy to read digital instrument panel. Integrated navigation system, climate control. Just all sorts of features. These seats are heated. 4-wheel drive control. Even has a ride height control, so you can adjust how high this rides, or you can adjust it for comfort or sport. This is a well taken care of Lexus 2002 LX570 here at ARJ's. We're just 2.5 miles west of downtown Cleveland. Come take a look at this one.